Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to read chapter 4 of Political Science, part 3, in which we will read about the parliament and legislature. What is parliament here? In all democracies, an assembly of elected representatives exercise supreme political authority on behalf of people. In India, such as National Assembly is known as parliament. Legislature, the body of elected representative at the state level, is known as legislature or legislative assembly. The name may vary in different countries, but such an assembly exists in every democracy. Now, what are the significance of parliament in democracy? The parliament exercise political authority on behalf of we people in many ways. First, parliament is the final authority of making law in any country. It can also change existing laws or abolish existing laws and make new one in their place. Then parliament exercises control over those who run the government. No decision can be taken without the support of the parliament. Parliament also control the money matters. Parliament is the highest form of discussion and debate on public issues and national policy in any country. It can seek any information about any matter. Indian Parliament. Now, we will also read about the different houses of parliament. Which are different houses of parliament? Parliament plays a central role in democracies. The large countries divide the role and powers of parliament in two parts. They are known the chambers or houses. One house is usually directly elected by the people and exercise the real power. And the second house elected indirectly and perform some special functions. They were looking the interest of various states, regions and federal units. In India, the parliament consists of two houses, Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. The President of India is a part of the parliament, although she is not the member of either house, but member of the parliament. Thank you. Next, we will read in our next slide.